So welcome to PowerShell for SQL Server DBA Day 1 class, guys. So thank you so much for showing the interest into the PowerShell. So before starting my class, I will go through some syllabus part, which one we have you already know, and because people want if you are not there, so I can give this video who is coming, and I will tell them to just see it. That is the one thing. Before starting this PowerShell class, I think you have gone through my syllabus, right? You have already gone through the syllabus, right? So what is your expectation, what you are thinking about the PowerShell? Can you go through it? Like, what is your, like, many people will come, they will tell, I want to do something AD work, something with somebody will tell DNS work, somebody will tell advanced level of thing. So what is your expectation, whether you both are aware of PowerShell? First things, you know.
Yeah, yeah, I'm Rahul. I'm aware about PowerShell. Basically, my motive to join this class is learning scripting. So can
Okay.
I can
And again,
automate the
second thing,
DB task?
you, yeah, and second is you are already SQL DBA, right?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
developer and DBA both.
Okay, if you are developer, then you will understood very fast because you having already development knowledge. So maybe
Mhm.
I will go very slowly only because other people who is joining as a SQL DBA, they don't have knowledge of writing the code. If I will tell develop 10 line also, they having very difficulty to develop the 10 lines of code also. So that's why I will go very slowly. It is not very fast because you are developer already, so you will understood more, but other people will not understood. So, and till now you have not worked as a PowerShell developer, right?
No, just I have
No.
worked on a
Okay.
few
Okay. So
scripts.
this class is okay. That's fine. So you, so this class, what I understood, this class is 100%. It is going to work for you. Whatever you are showing, you are aware of PowerShell. You are working in the PowerShell environment in your office as a
No,
SQL
no, no.
DB. No.
Actually, mm, directly DB only.
Okay. Okay, fine. So he is giving this, just one second. He's giving, so which email address Rahul is giving? Rahul, I have already added that one. I will remove this one. I
Yeah,
will
yeah,
remove that email address. This one, it is there. I will remove this because down it is written there. So I
yeah,
mark
yeah.
it.
We had
I
to
will,
chat.
I will delete this. And
Fine,
Gmail
thanks.
only I want this one. So who is third is who joined? Syed, right? Hello, Syed. I'm audible. I can't hear you. If you are not able to hear me, just you can go and uh, connect it again. So I can't hear you, Syed. Okay, anyhow, so like that people will join. So before going to starting my syllabus, I think you guys has already gone through the syllabus, and you don't have any doubt. I'm not want to waste the time into the syllabus part, right? So so what is this class? Just I will go through the about the classes only. So what you are going to learn in this class? So this class is, I will not going to teach you how the other people is teaching the PowerShell. Like simply they will take the each topic, like function, like model, simply they will waste a one day to do test time. Here my concern is within 1 month or 1.5 month maximum it will go, because I having the total 15 model. You can see here, last time also I think Ashwin, you have attended, like last time you have seen, we have the 15 model of the class, and we have one HTML class. So HTML having the total 5 model, so I'm going to complete this in the 4 model only. So total 19 model is there for me to explain you. In this 19 model I'm going to complete within 1 month, or it will goes 1.5 month. So some of the time till day 3 class, I will go very fast, means there is a lot of concept is there you have to understood. So you have to go, I will go little bit fast, means I will take alternate days, or if I'm free, I will take every day also class. But basically it will go one day I will take, one day I will not take. And you are seeing in the group also, right? So you can see in the group, like who is how I am sending. It is not every day I'm taking class, but beginning of the class is very very important. So I will go through the every day, right? So in this 15 days, 15 model, and for power HTML model, what you are going to do, you will able to develop the script. I am making surety for you guys, if you are going to work whatever I am teaching, and after that you are going home doing the practice for the 2 hours at least. After, you don't have to go to new thing. go to the Google and you are started searching it, so you will become confused. You will confuse me also. First, whatever I am teaching you, first go to that script, try to complete, and then go to the next whatever you want to learn. That is the one thing. Second thing, don't come like I am teaching day 1 class and I am teaching day 4 class. You have asking the day 1 question. That is also not acceptable. So because I am teaching day 4, my mind will be there in the day 4 script, and suddenly you will come with the day 1. I am getting this error. It is not. If you have not able to complete like day 1, this much of a script is there. If you are not able to complete within 2 days, and I started day 2 class, so go with day 2 script only, which one I have explained. Don't wait for day 1 class, right? So like this you have to. Sayed, you are able to hear me? Just if you are able to hear me, just ping me. Yes, because I can't see. Sayed, I don't know whether he is able to hear me or not. Anyhow, so not audible, please. So he's not able to hear me, so I have given please disconnect and connect again. Okay, fine. So whenever I am teaching which day class, please try to revise that class. It is not like you go with I am there into that this class, you go, you are working on that some other different. That is not acceptable. If you want anything ask day 1 class, you can send me the message, or you can send me the mail, and I will tell you if I am free. That time only I will explain. If I am not free, I will tell you which time you have to go, and you have to start that. So like that. I think Syed, you are able to hear me now, right?
Yeah, now able to audible. Thank you.
Okay, fine, Sayed. I don't know, just 2-3 minutes. I was explaining something, so maybe you have missed. So you have the video, you can go through it. So one thing I'm asking, Sayed, what is your email address? Because I have to check this.
I think you already have my email ID. SYED.
No, name. What is the name? What is your mobile number? I
Because
think.
I am a
Tell me.
old batch. I didn't join previously, so I joined from now freshly.
Okay, fine. So just I will add your mobile number, because I don't have many people will request here and they will come from the old batch.
Yeah, okay.
Syed
YED.
ED, and tell me your email address.
SYED.
SYAD.
E for elephant.
SYED.
ED. BH dot.
BH dot.
No. SYED
Okay, you
dot.
just ping me. You ping me your mobile address and email address. So just
Yeah,
once
it will.
I think somewhere it will be there. I think you have already paid, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine then. Syed, I can't see. I think you are there for the long old batch. I think.
Yeah, correct.
I think
Correct.
here you have joined this one, right?
Yeah, correct, that one.
Yeah, you have already paid that. So it's okay. You can join. You can continue. At least I want few. So I have marked this. So because very less people is joined. Last time you will see like 10 people, 15 people was joining. So sometime it is happening, no problem. So I think you are
Yeah.
already aware of this, my class. So what I am going to discuss. So whenever I am going with the day 4 class, don't come with day 1 class. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me personally. You can call me. I will give you the separate time. That time you discuss. In the class, I don't want to mix it, because if you have attended my class, Syed, you have seen like many people will start questioning, asking, and time
Yeah,
of
I
this,
got it.
it is going very this one, which one I have to complete within 1 month, it is
Lengthy.
going like 2 months, like that is what happened. So that is the one
Yeah.
thing. And third thing is, I'm not going to give you any support for your organization. Means if you are getting any doubt, suddenly you are coming me and you are expecting I will come online, I will fix your issue. No, it is also not going to be happen, guys. Means many people, what happen after doing this course, they will 100% they will get the job. Once they are good, because you are the SQL DBA, you are giving, the Powershell, some question they will ask, you are going to tell my script like this I have developed, you will get the job. But once you are getting the job and you don't have knowledge of the Powershell, means I am going to teach you just 15 days or 1 month, I am going to teach you, right? In 1 month you are thinking you are going to become expert. It is not going to happen. If somebody is here, all people is coming who is already experienced, 10 years of experience, 6 years of experience, 14 years of experience, and you are going with the 14 years of experience, their expectation is too much more, right? So what is going to be happen at that time? If you are going like as a 14 years old, they will give you, sometime people, they will tell you to work as a alone as a PowerShell developer. That time people is not, they learn my script, they gone through it, but suddenly it will coming with some different type of thing. They will become, because you know that as a developer also, if you are not doing practice, in 1 month of practice, you will not able to finish any work. You will able to develop the code, what is the requirement, you will able to fulfill, but standard of the script, it will take time day by day. And like somebody told, like you are Praveen, you are the already developer, right? So but it is, if you will see, even every day you are learning only, right? Every day you are going to develop something, you are learning from Google, something from some senior, something by yourself, right? So it is like that only developing thing. If you don't, you have the zero knowledge, and suddenly you came, you completed this course, and you are thinking like I will get the job, you will get the job, but surviving this job is very difficult for you. That time people is coming to me and they're asking me the support. I am also working, so maybe I will not get the time. So guys, don't do, if you are getting the job also, directly you can tell you are the SQL DBA and you having the knowledge of PowerShell, you require some training, or if you are providing me to work into the team, that time you will able to handle it. So please directly you tell, don't tell you are the expert and everything you know, then you will face the problem. Next thing, if you are working in any organization and you are sending me some script to the office of this, which one I have seen many people, like they are started working, they got the job, and suddenly they will attach that email, that script, and send it to me, sir, please explain this code, I have to change something. So that also, if you are sending any office script, no, I'm not going to explain you, because that is not, because nowadays only many you have seen, like all companies checking who is working and what they are doing. So no, that is also not acceptable. If you are going and sending me the office script to me and you are expecting to do some coding changes in your, no, that what I'm not going to do. You have to analyze. You can ask me some question. If you are going to develop any code by itself, you are getting doubt, you come, you ask me, I am going to help you on that, right? Correct?
Yeah, fine.
Rahul,
Yeah,
Ashwin,
yeah.
all having this much skill here. So later you don't come and tell, sir, you are not providing. I am going to provide you support which script you are writing, which one you are developing. I'm not going to do any proxy account. I want, sir, proxy for the PowerShell, proxy for the SQL. No, nothing. I'm not going to give. The many mail, if you will see, people is sending me. I'm telling, no, it is not possible. If you are coming to understood something, I will teach you. Like yesterday, Ashwin, you are there, you have seen like something AD related thing. There was one script, so one person came, he told, sir, help me, teach me AD related. I help him. If it's coming, sir, tell me how to do this code and all. First, interest is from the your side. It is not like you do the work, I will sit. That is not going to happen. Okay, anyhow, I hope you understood this. And so here, basically, if you are the SQL DBA, this class is very, very important. I am not going to teach anything related with AD, anything related with DNS server, OS related thing. No. Of course, in the script, if you are working as a SQL DBA, multiple thing you have to do, some troubleshoot, you have to work as a Windows level of, because SQL will install in the window platform only, right? So some of the time there is some script is like disk space, services information. These are the script is not related with actual SQL server, but DBA required these things, right? This is space. It is DBA work to handle the space management nowadays. So you can go with that. So some of the people is coming here, they are work as a SQL Azure DBA, AWS. PowerShell is applicable for those also, right? So if you are coming and now you are started asking for the AWS person, I will not move PowerShell to AWS, right? Correct? Getting or not? So it is not like that. So we are going to work on this platform. So first I am clear you every doubt, whatever you have. Next thing is, within 1 month, if any trainer is telling you like in 15 model, I will make you the expert, it is not going to be happen. But I am making sure after finishing my day 4 class only, not 1-2. After day 4 class, you will start writing the PowerShell. You will start understanding the PowerShell. You will develop your own code. That one, I think, Syed, you have attended like my which class? How much class you have attended last batch?
Actually, previously I have not attended due to some shifts in office shifts.
So, okay,
So
you have not attended only. Okay, fine. No problem.
this is a fresh.
Yeah, so this is a fresh one. Ashwin, I think you have seen like last batch, I have taken the feedback. So there they have told these things like, sir, I have started developing that script for the office purpose, many reporting, many things they have started working. So I'm not telling till day 15, I'm telling you till day 4. After day 4, you will start developing your script itself. But if you are asking me, see here, if whatever you will develop, any script, and I want to I have to tell something like, no, this is wrong. Anybody can tell how much you develop good script. So your version means just correcting the script, writing some different code. It will be happen in your long time. It is not like one time you develop the script, second version you have to add few more things into that. So this that is called standard of the script. So that one why come it will come by whenever you are doing the practice. And somebody is telling within 1 month I'm making you expert, it is not going to happen. You have to do the practice, and this is the development thing. You have to do every day 2 hours practice. So I hope you understood. Ashwin, Rahul, and Sayed, you can ask me now itself any doubt you have.
Yeah, I have a small query, not a doubt.
Yes, yeah, please.
Basically, I'm working for the Middle East project, and office will begin at 10 o'clock. So will we wrap before that?
No, 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 no. I am going to take the class from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, or in the at least day 2 class or day 3 class. Till day 3 class, you have to manage. It will go to 9 to 9:30 also,
Yeah,
because
fine with that.
till
Fine with
9:30 I am going to complete this. But after day 3 class, it will go till 8 to 9 only.
Oh, yeah, that's quite cool because I have to log in at 10 o'clock and
Yeah,
work
yeah,
from
no
home.
problem, no problem. That 9 o'clock I am going to finish the class. But at least day 3 class. Day 3 class is not. Don't think like day 1 class will complete within 1 day. So 3 day. I'm telling you, just you will see like how much time it is taking. I will show you that last batch how much it went. You can see that day 1 class it is started from 24th, and then 25th, then 26th, 27th. So 4 days it was taken day 1 class.
Okay.
If you will go with the day 3 class, 29 it started, 30 I was taken, then first I was taken, then second I was taken. 4 days was taken day 3 class also. Day 1 class and day 3 class, there is a lot of theory practical I have to teach. So 4 class it is happened. So total 8 module it is taken, just 2 only. 2 class is considered that 8 class. Day 2 class is just 1 day class. Then after that it is a small. Day 4 it is little bit 2 day class only. Then 1 day, day 5, and it is the same thing. If you will go with the old batch again, then again you will see it is taking this 2 class day 1, and day 3 will be taking more time. If you will go to the last to
Oh,
last batch, again it is the same thing. Day 1 and day 3 is taken more. Some of the time day 4 is taken also more, because people has started questioning. Day 6 class is
mhm.
gone little bit more, 2 days. So because people has asked question more, so this batch lot of people came, lot of question they have asked. So little bit more time. I think Sayyad has joined this batch only. So that time many people has joined, and 10 people was there, and they was asking a lot of questions. So maybe you guys are two, and I'm sure like you will two people means more question will not come. If the more people will come, so all will started questioning. So so it is like that. And as per fee, whatever I'm charging 5,600 rupees, because here the two student only there. If you are coming with, sir, decrease something, it is not going to be happen. At least two I can start the batch. But if you are coming only one student, then I have to wait for the other people, right? So make sure. And second thing, you have to make something called believe on me, then only you will able to learn this. And beginning I will take some theory class also, 1 day or 2 day it will go for the theory class also. But after that is the full practical, full script. Got it? So Rahul, anything a doubt you have? No?
Oh, yeah, yeah. One more doubt I have.
Yeah, please.
So basically, if currently me and Ashwin are in the class, so if any one of us misses, then will you suspend the
No,
class for that day?
yes, yes, of course. If anyone is not, it will come. Don't worry. Maybe because one student how I'll teach. I am charging just 5,600 rupees for the
Yeah, yeah.
one people I am going to.
That's what I was
It is
thinking.
not work. At least 10, 15,000 I am not getting in my hand. Why should I will sit here and I will do that? So, but every time it is happening. It is not like not happening. If you'll see my last batch, so see here how many people is there. Two. 2 to 4. This much of student they have confirmed. If you will see the last batch, so in this much, 3 people is only started coming to joining every day. Remaining all told, sir, provide me the video only. So total actually 4 people was there. So like that, 4 people, 5 people. If you will see the last to last batch there, that much was confirmed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people was confirmed. 4, 5 people. If you will see the last to last batch, that time it was went to the 10, 12 people. And I'm not telling you the old people I am adding here. All are the new only. So for you, I will treat just 2 people, Rahul and this one's and Ashwin only in this batch. So we will see like tomorrow who is going to join. Tomorrow I will take the class or not, I'm not sure. So if the 1 people is there, I can't take. If you go after finishing my class, you just see like I have charged just 5,600. In 5,600, you will able to write the code or not, you are understanding the code or not, you are developing the code or not in your office. For your office, you can see how much skill it will be developed for you. If you are coming as a basic, you don't know anything. Then some people will come who already know the Powershell. That time I have to learn from him only, right? So it is not like that. So of course, if the 1 people will be also, it is not there, Ashwin is not there, so that might, I will not continue the class. At least 2 people has to be there. Got it?
Okay, fine.
And one more thing, every day you have to attend the class. It is not like all people like you, like Ashwin, you have seen that last class or day 14 class, just 2-3 people has joined, right? But 6 people were paid for it, right? So if nobody is joining the class, all are waiting for the video only, whom I will teach, right? At least 1 people, 2 people, because what will be happen, no, after some time you are getting my all video also, you are getting my all script also, you are getting the doubt clarification of class also, if you have any doubt, right? So so people will think, why should I will join in the morning the class? Better like I will watch the video, and if I have any doubt, I will ask the doubt. So all people start doing that like that. So if all will start doing like that, so whom I will teach, right? So this is also one factor. Like if you will see to last batch, all our people is saying, sir, I want video only. I have to go to office. I have to do this. What I've done, I stopped the batch. I told you just continue with the next batch. If you are the 2 people and both people is giving excuse every day, so no, sir, I will not join. You give me the video only. So what I will do, I will start new batch. I will tell new batch only you join. No, I will not continue batch, because you will see the last batch student, they was very good and they continue every day class. So this was happen. If you will see the last to last batch, what it was happen. In the day 5 class only, I stopped the class. I told nobody want to join because all are waiting for my YouTube video only. So I am not, and all will ask for video. I am going to pay sir video. You give me the direct video and script, because there is no difference. Like if I am attending your class and I am watching the video, both are same only, sir. But you will say it is the same. But whenever you are attending my class, that time you can ask multiple of questions also. So that is different. It is not like exactly same. If you will see the last batch, so it was completed successfully till day 13. I have taken 14 class. When I schedule all is started, I told, do you join in the next batch? Don't continue here. So like that I will teach.
Fine.
So of course you have to join every day. If you are joining every day, till 14 I will take. Till 15 class I am putting as a hold. Why? Because till 15 class, what I will told you, go through 1 to day 14 class, because day 15 class it's having the all of the concept about it, whatever I explain you, right? So day 15 I am giving 1 month time. So day 14 I will teach. After day 14 I will tell you, take 1 month of time, go with my all course, revise it and come back. Okay,
Perfect.
Okay, so fine. I think I have cleared your doubt. So Ashwin, you have anything you can ask now?
No.
Yeah, Ashwin, you can go ahead. Ashwin, I can't hear you. Ashwin?
Yeah, no queries. No queries actually.
No query. Okay, fine. What about you, Sayed?
Everything is fine from my end.
Okay, fine. So good, we have too much. And one more thing, here after some time it will disconnect. I will tell you, you have to log in again because I have not paid for the license version for the Skype. It is giving me just 45 minutes only to continue the video. After that, you have to log in using the same link. So if the four
Fine.
people, 5 people is joining the class, that time I am buying the license. Otherwise, I am doing the cost cutting. If the 2 people, 3 people is there, I will not buying the license because that is also chargeable, right? I have already taken this SQL Server Enterprise Edition. That also it is charged me, right? So that's why I can't pay. If I'm getting less money, how can I pay? Anyhow, it is up to you. I'm going to continue the session now. Where is the demo class? So this 2-3 day class, it will go that PowerShell for this one. So starting the PowerShell. So what is that PowerShell? Anybody can tell me whatever in your having in your mind? Okay. So what is the PowerShell? PowerShell is developed by Microsoft. Once we will go to the history, then we will see the in the more detail. But I'm going the one day of this, and it is not after this history and all. You will not able to develop the script. So don't think it is just for your purpose, your knowledge purpose. I am giving just one day. Otherwise, I was not taking also because the student has started telling me, sir, at least give the history of the PowerShell and all. That's why I started. I was directly going with the scripting thing. So what is the PowerShell? PowerShell is nothing but it is the command line tool and scripting language that helps the IT professional to configure and automate the administrative task. So what is the command line tools means? You have to type the command or you will able to write the script also into the PowerShell. Okay, so PowerShell is built on the above of the .NET framework. What is the meaning of that? Means how it was before, we'll see that in the history. But now PowerShell is building all the .NET framework. So many .NET library will be applicable for the PowerShell. Live. So after 10 minutes again it will be log off, so you have to log in again. So if you are going to upgrade your .NET framework, so automatically PowerShell will also it is going to be changed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so PowerShell is using, actually why it is important to use the repetitive task. If anything you have to do every time, so what you will do, people will write the script and you will able to perform that. PowerShell is also, it is a object-oriented programming, and it's having the same 4 concept it is following, right? There is something is there on inheritance and encapsulation. So this all the things as there, it is going to continue with the in the object-oriented programming. So this also it is the PowerShell, it is going to continue with that only. And PowerShell is why, and PowerShell programming you can use for the everything. You can't say if I'm teaching here SQL DBA for the PowerShell, so PowerShell is only applicable for the SQL Server. No, you can go with the AD related thing, you can go with the DNS related thing, you can go with the SCOM people is also started PowerShell. If you will see the, even if you are using a ServiceNow or Jira, there also you will able to do that. If you are going to do the AWS, so you will able to perform the PowerShell programming for the AWS also. Azure also write the PowerShell, but you have to import the model. So if you are going to import the model, then only you will able to perform this. So if you will go here, if I'm writing here get command, so this is just for understanding purpose. So later I am going to discuss this many more things. So you will see whenever I'm running that get command, you can see that so if you are going there, you can see that there's the hyper-v something you are able to see, right? So it is related with operating VM. If you want to do that kind of command is there. If you will see the DBA tool, it is related with your SQL server. So something called, so what kind of, you can see here some PS model is also there. So like that, you will see there is the many model like PKI, right? This is also Microsoft product only. So if you want to perform anything for that, you will able to do that SQL related thing. So whatever model you want, you have to import the model and you will able to perform that. That is the, and you can say actually this PowerShell is started from 2003, but what happened after 2006, it started into the multiple of operating system. Once we will go to the history, then we will see in that 2006 it is built for the many of the operating system, and it's having the reusable code, means which code you will able to use multiple of time, so you don't have to write the code. They have created some command only. If you are going to run this command, it is going to give you some result. So in this command only they have written the programming, that is called the reusable code. Reusable code, what is called, this is called as a commandlet, or it is called as a function. Now in the PowerShell having more than 2492 more than that commandlet, and every time it is going to develop, that is I can say the unique commandlet. Unique commandlets means what? If you are going to import related with that model, then only this much command will come. Just example, if you are working on the Azure, so you are going to excuse me, if you are going to import some Azure model, just example, so what is going to happen? So Azure related command is going to be imported in your PowerShell session. So like that, it is now, it is more than 2000 command it came into the PowerShell. Even every time it is going with the more and more. So for the PowerShell, so that is the one thing which one I want to discuss for the PowerShell. History of the PowerShell we are going to deal with here. So PowerShell 1.0, that name was called as a Monad. That time I think it was not a Microsoft product. So it was introduced when the developer conference September 2003, at the developer conference they have developed this Monad, and this was not called as the PowerShell. They were telling that Monad. So 2003 you can say this this came, PowerShell was released. So actually what happened, the name change of PowerShell they have done on the November 2006, and from here it was the Microsoft product from the 2006. If you will go to the SQL history also, so Microsoft is very clever for this. If you will see the SQL Server SQL Server, which one you are working, this is totally, it is the Sybase. So Sybase, there is the one database is there, right? So that so actually they have copied multiple of things from there. If you'll see the replication and all, so like that Microsoft they are doing there, if they are finding some people, so they have taken it, they have started, they are developing which one is he's finding, that is a good thing. Same thing like SQL Server is done for the PowerShell also. So this one was released, the name change on the 2006, right? And it is started supporting that into the XP, SP2, SP3. So before 2006, if you want to install PowerShell, you have to manually install. Like now also, if you are installing the SQL Server and the PowerShell version is not up to date, that time you are downloading the PowerShell software and you are just installing it, right? I think I hope you are the SQL DBA, so you have seen this. So same thing it was
Yes.
happened, right? So same thing it was there, like before that PowerShell was not coming in the any operating system. Before 2006, you have to download the software and install into your system. Okay, once the PowerShell was launched, it is started supporting after 2006. It is supporting for the XP, SP2, and SP3, but in the part of the Vista. That time only 2006 Vista came, right? Vista software. Now it is gone. So that time Windows was the part of Vista. Now nobody is using it, right? And if you will see the server, so that time only 2006 Windows Server 2003 it was launched. Before it was telling as the NT, somewhere you can see the NT they will discuss. So don't confuse, that is also one of the operating system only. So Windows Server 2003, once they have launched, so that time it was a part of this operating system. So if you are going to install this server, already PowerShell you will be able to find. After that, what they have done from 2005 means SQL Server 2005. Okay, the it was available in the enterprise edition, that is called as mini cell. So what I want to do, in the 2006 they have launched the 2005 SQL Server 2005, and before 2005 it was 2000 version it was coming. I don't know whether you are remember or not. So if you are clicking on the PowerShell and if you start PowerShell, you can see it will be automatically it is starting the PowerShell. But this limit of this PowerShell is very limited. We will discuss this in the later classes. Just I'm giving one overview for this. So this mini cell, you will not able to perform very high level of work, but related to SQL work, finding some login detail or something related with the SQL Server, you will able to fetch from this mini cell also. So that's why from the 2005 that PowerShell version was mandatory. This version has to be there because they have linked the SQL Server with the PowerShell. So automatically you will be able to open the PowerShell window from the SQL Server also. So this one is nothing known as, this will be known as what? It is known as your mini shell. So we'll see later classes which kind of programming you will be able to do, but I am not going to deal with more with this mini shell because that is, if you are going to do also, you will not able to do much more programming. It is a very limited area it is there for the mini shell. So that is called as your mini shell, which one came from SQL Server 2005, maybe 2006, after 2006 or 7 it is released, that SQL Server. So it was started coming. So next one is called that is PowerShell version 2, and PowerShell version 2 was launched in 2009, August 2009, and here they have started supporting in the Windows 7 also. Like if it is Windows, right? If I will go here, if I will go to the PowerShell, so automatically it will come here, right? So it was a part of that Windows 7. Okay, and Windows Server 2008, from here, like whatever server is released, operating system server, so they are everywhere you will able to find the PowerShell version, it is there. So there is something more enhancement they have done compared to 1.0, that this was what is called remote generating specific commands they have started for the remote computer. So before this 2.0, 1.0, what it was happened, you can write your programming or you can develop some code just for same computer. Now what is happening, if you are working on one computer and all computer is connected as a domain, what is going to happen for the, if you have 1 2 3 400 computer, you are working on the 100 computer and you want to do some operation on the number one computer, you will able to perform, right? But before it was not possible. So after 2.0 they have started the remote execution. So